Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please do support our videos. Why your steering wheel won't turn the car. What to do. Ever turn your steering wheel and feel like it's doing absolutely nothing? You're not alone. This is a surprisingly common issue that can be both frustrating and dangerous. Imagine trying to navigate a busy intersection only to realize your car isn't responding. Not a fun situation, right? In this video, we'll dive into the reasons your steering wheel might not be turning your car and what you can do about it. Understanding the causes and solutions can save you from potential accidents and costly repairs. So, if you've ever been left wondering why your car's steering isn't cooperating, keep reading. You'll gain insights that could help you get back on the road safely and confidently. Common causes of steering wheel issues. If you're having trouble turning your steering wheel, you're not alone. Various problems can make your steering wheel difficult or impossible to turn. Understanding these common causes can help you diagnose and fix the issue before it leads to an accident. Power steering failure. Power steering makes it easier for you to turn your vehicle's steering wheel. When it fails, the wheel can become unresponsive, making it hard to steer. Signs of power steering issues include whining noises when you turn the wheel, stiff or difficult to turn steering wheel, visible fluid leaks under the car. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to check your power steering system. Steering rack problems. The steering rack is a critical part of your vehicle's steering mechanism. Wear and tear or leaks in the steering rack can cause steering issues. Symptoms of steering rack problems. Uneven tire wear, clunking noises when turning the wheel. Steering wheel feels loose or wobbly. If your car shows these symptoms, the steering rack might need repair or replacement. Faulty steering column. Issues with the steering column, such as a broken shaft or malfunctioning joints, can also cause steering problems. Indicators of a faulty steering column. Unusual movement or play in the steering wheel. Grinding or clunking noises when steering, inconsistent or jerky steering response. If your steering column is faulty, addressing it quickly can prevent further damage and ensure safe driving. Tie rod issues. Tie rods connect your steering wheel to the wheels of your car. Damaged or worn tie rods can affect your ability to steer. Common symptoms of tie rod issues. Misalignment of your car's wheels. Shaking or vibrating steering wheel. Difficulty steering or maintaining control when tie rods wear out. It can lead to a loss of steering control, so it's important to fix them promptly. Understanding the common causes of steering wheel issues can help you maintain control on the road. Regular checks and timely repairs can ensure your steering system works effectively, keeping you safe while driving. Diagnosing steering problems. So, your steering wheel isn't turning your car the way it should? Let's figure out what's wrong and get you back on the road. Diagnosing steering problems can seem tricky, but breaking it down into simple steps makes it manageable. Here's how you can do it yourself. Visual inspection. Start with a visual inspection of your steering system. This first step helps you spot obvious issues before moving on to more technical diagnostics. Here's a guide to help you. Look for leaks. Check under the car for any puddles or wet spots. Leaks can signal fluid problems, especially with power steering fluid. Inspect for worn parts. Examine the steering components like the tie rods, steering rack, and bushings. Are they worn out or damaged? Check for loose connections. Wiggle different parts of the steering system. Any loose bolts or connections can cause steering issues. Tighten them up if you find any. With a simple visual check, you can often spot glaring issues that might be affecting your steering. Listening for noises. Your car can talk to you through noises. Different sounds can indicate specific problems with the steering system. Here's what to listen for. Grinding noises. This can mean there's a problem with the steering rack or the column. It usually indicates metal on metal contact. Whining sounds, often linked to power steering issues. This noise usually occurs when you turn the wheel and suggests low power steering fluid. Clunking noises. These could indicate loose parts or issues with the tie rods. A clunk usually means something is not seated correctly. Listening carefully while driving can help pinpoint what's wrong with your steering system. Checking for fluid leaks. Power steering fluid is essential for smooth steering. A leak can make the wheel hard to turn. Here's how to check for leaks. Locate the reservoir. Find your car's power steering fluid reservoir under the hood. It's usually labeled. Check fluid levels. Open the reservoir and check if the fluid level is between the min and max marks. If it's low, that might be your problem. Inspect for leaks. Look around the reservoir and along the power steering lines for any wet spots or drips. If you find a leak, you'll need to repair it right away. Consider topping off the fluid, but remember, this is a temporary fix. By following these steps, you can diagnose many common steering problems yourself. While some issues might need a professional mechanic, spotting the problem early can save you time and money. Stay safe on the road by ensuring your steering system is always in top shape. Solutions and repairs. Is your steering wheel still giving you a hard time? Don't worry, there's hope. Here are some straightforward solutions and repairs to get your car steering smoothly again. Fixing power steering problems. Power steering issues are common but often straightforward to fix. Here's how you can tackle them. Check the power steering fluid. Low fluid levels are the cause of power steering problems. Locate the power steering reservoir, usually near the engine. Make sure it's filled up to the recommended level. Refill if necessary. Inspect for leaks. Look around the power steering pump and hoses for any fluid leaks. If you find leaks, the hoses might need replacing. Replace the power steering pump. If the pump is damaged, you'll need a new one. Here's how you can replace it. Disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Remove the serpentine belt linked to the power steering pump. Unbolt the old pump and disconnect the hoses. Install the new pump and reconnect the hoses. Reattach the serpentine belt and reconnect the battery. Refill the power steering fluid and check for leaks. Fixing power steering problems can be a DIY task with the right tools and a bit of patience. That's all for today's video. We hope you found the information helpful. Stay tuned for part 2 as we explore the causes and solutions to this issue. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.